Hi everyone, in this video we are going to create Claymorphism Profile Card. As you can see here, this is a simple profile card we are going to create. So this is a simple profile card, not much stylish and all. Let's start to create. As always, I have already created a starter file. As you can see here, in the style file I have some basic style here, and as you can see I set body grid and place item center, or I want to container whatever right inside of into it will be in center. So let's start from here. So first I am going to take one container card, and card will store one image. So card image, and here I have already one picture, as you can see here. So let's give the pic. So now I am going to take one wrapper card contain, and it will store one heading, name the dev coders, and now it will store one paragraph card description, and here some text, and remove some of the text. So let's take one button. So I am going to use anchor tag and give the card button, and here follow me. Let's run this web server so we can see what going on the browser side. Now as you can see, here is our contents. Let's give some style so it will look nice. So go to a style file and start from card. So select card, and here I want width 24 and background color I have already declared a variable, as you can see, color card. And now give border radius 1 rem, and here we can write overflow hidden. And now I am going to give the style of our image, and with 100% height, 100% height I want 10 rep, and object fit cover. Now we can see image is too large, so let's reduce the height of image. So height is right, but I think class name is wrong. Now as you can see, here is a class image, and here I misspelled something, so right. And now we can see, yeah, it's looking nice, but give more height. So I am going to give here 16 rem. I hope it will look nice. Yeah, it's looking nice. And let's give the style of our content section. So card content and padding 2 rem, and text align center. Now we can see everything in center. Yeah, it's looking nice. Let's give the style of this text. So here as you can see, this text is blue gradient color. So here we are going to select card and name, and here we can write font size 1.8 rem and background color. As you can see, I have already created a variable, so let's use it. Where color gradient, and here we need to write WebKit background clip text, and here WebKit text fill color transparent. So we can see here it's not working. Why? Let's check it. So here background image, not background color. Okay, now we can see it's working fine. Let's give padding of bottom so it will look more nice. So just go here and like margin bottom 0.5 rem, and now let's give the some style of card description, and now here we can write simply margin bottom 0.2 rem, and here color, and reduce the some contrast. So I am going to use like this one, and now we can see that's looking more nice. And here we want some more padding, so let's change 0.2 rem. Now I hope it will look nice. Yeah, it's looking nice. And let's select the button and give some style of this button. So I'm going to select card button, and here first text decoration none, and display inline block padding 1 rem, and left right 3 rem, and background image I want where color gradient, and here color I want white. Now we can see, yeah, it's looking nice. As you can see here is some border radius, so let's give the some border radius on it. So border radius 1.4 rem, and font size 1.2 rem, and now I am going to give box shadow. As you can see here, this is a inner box shadow. As you can see, now when we hover, box shadow removed. So let's give the some white box shadow inside of this button. So just go here and write box shadow insert, and here we want 001 rem RBG, and here we can write 255 255 255 white and point something 4. I hope it look nice. Let's check it. It's looking nice like this one. As you can see, let's give the hover effect on it. So here card button and hover, we can write box shadow. I'm going to just copy same thing from here and paste here and change here 0, and let's give the outer box shadow just 001 rem RBG, and here we can use 1. I hope it will look better. So go here and let's check it. Now it's looking nice. As you can see, it's working, but here we can see button scaling up. So just go here and write transform scale 0.05, and here we need to write transition so it will work smooth. Transition box shadow comma transform, and here I want 0.1 second as in. Now we can see. Now we can see. I hope it's work. Yeah, it's working nice. It's working cool. As you can see in this card, here is some little bit shadow of background color. Just give this box shadow instead of this card. So go here, there is our card, here is card. Just give the some box shadow here. So just go and box shadow, and here we can insert 0. I want for now 0 and give 2 rem, and simply we can use the background color busy. And now I am going to give outbox at 0 0 1 ram and rbg, and like this one. And now we can see, as you can see it's applied, but we want to, as you can see here is more like this one. Let's give the some minus top. So here we need to just give minus top like this one, and now we can see, yeah, it's looking nice like this one. Now it's looking like this one. I hope you understood. I will meet you in next one. Stay safe.